Welcome to the new episode, but wait, let me call my peeps. Hello? And when are you guys coming? Right now? Come quick, now. Whoa, that was quick. Hey guys, I'm about to do another dance. Ready? And go! This is the life. Hey, why don't you shut up, you stupid dog? Shut up!
Let's start a fight, okay?
All right.
Music? Okay, dude, stop. This is not a fight. Ooh, I knocked him out. I'm gonna squeeze you.
Funny. Look, guys, I'm gonna ride front and back with my invisible bike.
And I'm gonna do the moonwalk.